What's holding you back from leading your best life? What's holding me back? Absolutely nothing. If you're ready to live better, feel better, and be better, earning the income you deserve, then you need to know about VSI. It's your turn to lead your best life.
From the time that I was very young, my dad said, be a leader. And that's really what we all want. We want freedom. We want great relationships, meaningful relationships. We want money. We want good health so that we can lead our best life possible. My personal mantra is to be a little bit better every day. That is what we are all about. If you're interested in being a little bit better every day, and I think you are, then you're in the right place here at VSI.
VSI literally means leader in Old Scandinavian, and we are the leader in innovative health and financial solutions for you and your family. The VSI product difference starts with 3 unique categories. 1. Nourish. Fuel and strengthen your body naturally, nutritiously every single day with the right balance of protein and essential nutrients. 2. Power. Lose weight and gain confidence with our Power line. Rev up your focus and energy and leave mediocrity in the dust. 3. Refine. Reclaim your youth and bring back your glow from the inside out and the outside in. No matter who you are or what's holding you back, VSI has a brand to move you forward. Nourish, Power, Refine. 3 categories with unlimited potential and the promise of more great products to come. How can we make that promise? Because VSI is leadership. It's what drives us to innovate breakthroughs, to transform people's physical health and their financial health. VSI introduced the category-creating Arctic Cloudberry, known as Scandinavian Gold in regions where it grows wild. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and a number of phytonutrients that support all of the body's systems. It's a fantastic antioxidant to reduce signs of aging, reinforce immunity, and support a healthy cardiovascular system.
I lived in Scandinavia for several years, and I've been in the wellness industry for most of my career. When I learned of the cloudberry and how pure, how nutritious, and effective it is, it became the seed of the dream for VSI.
But our innovation doesn't stop there. VSI is also leading the way in premium protein. While everybody knows that protein is the building block of life and it's essential to good health, most of us don't get enough. Our pharmacological grade hydrolyzed collagen protein nourishes your body better than any other protein supplement on the market. Hydrolyzed collagen is 99.3% bioidentical, boasting absorption rates of 95%. Compare that to competing products with soy, milk, whey, egg, or pea proteins that have much lower absorption rates of 15 to 50%. Feel the power of premium protein on day 1, whether you're losing weight or lifting weights. VSI's hydrolyzed collagen can tone muscle, renew and add elasticity to skin, and even improve flexibility, hair shine, and nail strength, no matter your age or stage in life. Combine cloudberry and hydrolyzed collagen protein, and you have a powerhouse blend we call AC2 technology. Listen to what people are saying about VSI's breakthrough product results.
With VSI's AC2 technology and the combination of Arctic Cloudberry and hydrolyzed collagen protein, these products have allowed me to remain healthy, strong, and flexible at the age of 40.
In 7 months on the VSI products, I have lost over 40 pounds in over 3 pant sizes, and I have never felt better.
I transformed my body using VSI natural products, doing more than just building muscle, rebuilding my body and my life, and becoming a world-class pro bodybuilder. Thanks, VSI.
And we're just getting started. So what's next? You! Our unique products and ground floor momentum make VSI a world-class business opportunity for you. We don't pay big advertising agencies or retailers to promote our breakthrough products, so we can pay you more, up to 20% in dual team commissions every single week. Plus, our plan includes bonuses, travel, and even our Dream Driver program to put you behind the wheel of the car of your dreams. Don't wait to lead your best life. The time is now to be at VSI.
VSI has absolutely changed our life. We've been able to become completely debt-free, travel all over the US, and it has absolutely changed the future of my kids' lives.
And we looked at the business opportunity and decided this is a company for us. And the lifestyle change has been incredible.
I found VSI at the perfect time in my life, and what it's allowed me to do is turn my dread into dreams and my fears into focus and my hopes into reality.
And the best part is you can do this by providing value to other people because of the products that we're bringing into the marketplace. You can feel good about elevating the health of people around the world. So you can feel really good about building a business here with VSI.
It's time. You can have the quality of life you deserve and break free from whatever's holding you back. Getting started as a partner is easy and rewarding. Talk to the person who shared this video with you to learn more. Let VSI help you lead your best life, starting now.